Polar Bear here, all dressed up for Panda Frog's May 21 giveaway entry. Of course, we have to donate this one because Evil Arch Conservative won last month. But we're doing this outside for a special reason. Tonight, Evil Arch Conservative was really nice to me and planted me a sucker garden. Evil Arch Conservative planted Dum-Dums and Charms and Jelly Belly and Tootsie Roll suckers and a couple mystery suckers. I'm so happy. Well, thank you, Polar Bear. And yes, if you're not subscribed to Panda Frog, you should do so right away. Now, as you can see, Polar Bear is dressed up in his panda costume. And I am too. Actually used glow in the dark paint for this because they were out of, believe it or not, they were out of white paint. Yeah. So, the challenge this month is to pick a lock sideways. And, should have brought something to post that up larger. That's okay. So, I thought we would kill two birds with one stone and open a couple of these locks from the Lockmania Edict Dub Passaround box. That's a fun box! Yes, it is, Polar Bear. So yeah, we gotta pick these sideways. I've actually picked the Yale and the Black Spur also. Got them each a couple times in the session I was doing them, and they steadfastly refused to open since then. Have not had any luck with the Isaiah. But yeah, let's see, we've got the Eurolux and this Rockfort we're going to pick sideways tonight for Panda Frog's May 21 entry. And I am going to donate this to Dana Reed, since the first person I was going to donate to already has 2 donated entries this month. So, okay, we'll start with this Rockfort. Got a real tiny keyway in it, so we'll be using a wiper insert as a tensioning tool. And hopefully it is going to behave. Because it seems like every lock lately wants to be camera shy. Don't tell Polar Bear, but the garden actually consists of tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Does not! We just let Polar Bear think that. Yeah. But yeah, I've been practicing on every lock I've been picked or tried to pick the last week, doing it sideways, and it is quite the adventure. And I can't remember who came up with that idea, Panda Frog, but I know you said that in your entry or your announcement video, and yeah, it was a brilliant idea. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I should have known. Ah, there we got it. There we got it. There we got it. Got the open. Okay. The Eurolux next. This one's kind of a fun pick. Okay. Let's. Oh, got to get it sideways so we can do this properly. Um, and we got the open. Yay! My turn to win a sucker! Oh my god, Polar Bear, I forgot to bring the suckers. I'm not talking to you! Polar Bear gets suckers when we go inside. Talk to you later, folks.